Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville BES 870XL, and this machine was brought in because it was making a cranky sound whenever you tried to pull a shot. And as often the case with these machines, the solenoid valve assembly needed to be replaced. Valves weren't opening all the way, even though they were being supplied with electricity, and that's the kind of grinding sound you hear. But we've replaced it, and so we're going to pull a shot. Like it needed a prime. There we go. And beautiful. Looks a tad on the slow side, but that's just because the grind setting on our grinder is a little fine for this machine. But you can hear it sounds normal, like it should. There we go. Stopping at 1 ounce. Alright, there you go. Breville working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.